the frame. Think about what you would like to be doing when your goal is achieved and what would represent an integral part of the target slide. Its indispensable attribute. You might be sitting by a fireplace in a rocking chair, standing at the helm of your personal yacht, planting roses in your garden, or shaking hands with a business partner having sealed a successful deal. Imagine any characteristic fragment of the slide. Turn the picture in your thoughts several times. It should create a kind of integral impression, an instant mold of the slide, containing a flash image and accompanying feeling. This is the frame. For the sake of convenience, you could give it a short heading. From time to time, turn it on in your memory for an instant, as you would turn on a light. Do this whenever it naturally occurs to you to do so. Again, without applying too much effort. The frame represents another thread that connects you with the target sector of the alternative space.